basically, there is an OpenStack endpoint for version 8 of vRealize automation that's developed by VMware Development. And once you install this, you'll get an OpenStack tile under your cloud account types. And you can then configure it to connect to your Power VC or to your IBM Cloud Infrastructure Center for provisioning to Power and Z. I already do have both of these integration points installed. So let me show you the Power VC integration. As you can see, all you really need to do is add the URL for your Power VC server, the user ID and password, and the region that's been defined already in your cloud zones. And once you do that and you put in the password, you should be able to connect and have an inventory of what's been configured on your Power VC side. So basically, all that information comes over to the VRA8 database. And when you get that, then you can start building a blueprint. So if I go to my networks, I should be able to see a VLAN that is associated with my integration point. And that would be, go back again so you can see. These are all my Power VC and ICIC regions and VLANs that have been defined, so they all come over. I should also see any volumes that have been defined already or deployed. I should also see the regions that I'm going to be deploying to. So once you have this, you'll be able to go ahead and create a design in your design blueprint. You'll be able to create a new deployment. I already have deployments that I've created here. So I'm going to go to the AIX deployment. So basically I can drag and drop a cloud machine from the left side here to your design canvas. And then as you can see, I've defined it with the image of AIX, the flavor of small, and the network that I'm going to be deploying to. So with this, I can go ahead and test it. And I should be able to get a verification that my blueprint is okay. And then be able to deploy the blueprint. So this testing is on the way. Okay, as you can see, my testing is successful. And I can go ahead and deploy this. So I'm going to just call this test for AIX. And do a deployment. So as this is deploying, I can look at the history and you can see it's creating it's going through the workflow and creating the network and the request. So should quickly see this. Looks like that's the machine name that is being provisioned right here. And so it looks like it already gave it an IP address and looks like it's up and running.